Nike Training Club Elite app. The pros, the cons. The Nike Training Club Elite app isn't just another workout app. It's like having world-class trainers, athletes, and sports science experts right in your pocket. But is it really worth your time? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Nike Training Club offers one of the most diverse libraries of workouts anywhere. From strength and endurance training to mobility, yoga and recovery, there is something for every fitness level. You can choose by duration, intensity or goal, so it feels personalized every time. What sets this app apart is its coaching. You'll hear motivating instructions from Nike's top trainers and athletes, people who know performance inside and out. The Elite version unlocks advanced programs, guided challenges and exclusive athlete tips. It feels like training with a professional team. Another major plus, it integrates with Apple Health and Google Fit, tracking your progress automatically. The design is smooth, intuitive, and backed by Nike Sports Research, so you know you're following safe, effective workouts. Now, for the cons. The app focuses heavily on self-guided sessions, meaning you won't get live classes or one-on-one coaching. Some of the more advanced workouts require equipment like dumbbells or resistance bands, which not everyone has at home. And while the core app is free, the Elite features come with a subscription cost. In conclusion, the Nike Training Club Elite app delivers elite-level training for everyday people. It's ideal for those who want flexibility, expert programming, and that signature Nike motivation. If you're ready to train smarter, harder, and with purpose, this app could be your ultimate fitness partner.